Hello everyone, Reece Smith here. I'm with Smiths today and I'm outside this beautiful self-built property. Self-built by a surveyor as well. So the good thing is you know it's going to be built very, very soundly. But what I want to do is get you inside because there's so much to show you on this house. I think we best get stuck in. Hi there everyone, so that is Coniston House for you, a fantastic self-built property in 2007. It's got fantastic quality products all the way through, lovely stone worktops, lovely flooring all the way through and solid wood features throughout. If you think this is a bit of you, feel free to reach out to me on the number below and it'd be lovely to talk to you a little bit more. Cheers guys, bye bye.